Big Storm Brewing, Marzen Lager, Octoberfest. This says, true to the spirit of great German festival, this Oktoberfest Marzen Lager is brewed in traditional Bavarian style so that you can enjoy the clean finish and toasty malt flavors your taste buds crave. The beer is seasonal, so grab it before it's gone. It's a winner of the 2016 Best Florida Beer. Let's see here. It pairs well with brats, pretzels, and roasted chicken. 6.4% alcohol. I like the label. Do you? Alright. Yeah, I like the label a lot. Alright. There's not enough reviews on Beer Advocate. It's from Big Storm Brewing in Odessa, Florida. Really smooth, malty, toffee, caramel. It's good. Look at that. It's a dark amber. Monster head. Well, we'll let this carbonation. Smells good. Tasty. Okay. Let's a little bit of spice. Nice medium bodied. Not much lacing. It still has a half-inch, almost an inch head after 2 minutes being out of the can. Really easy to drink. This is a good Oktoberfest. Marzen Lager from Big Storm. Look at that cool label. Love it. Love it. Alright, well, enjoy your end of summer, start of fall. I could have 2 of these in one sitting, maybe a third with a good company. See you later.